Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word ethic. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Her strong work ethic allowed her to succeed in her job and advance in her career. Ethic refers to a set of moral principles or values that guide a person's behavior and decision-making in various aspects of life, such as work or relationships. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.